this video tutorial, we will demonstrate the process of activating the MMS Multimedia Messaging Service feature on your iPhone. MMS enables you to send multimedia content such as photographs, videos, and audio clips via text messages. To enable MMS messaging on your iPhone, kindly follow these steps. Open the Settings application on your iPhone. Scroll down to the bottom of the Settings page and select the Messages option. Within the Messages settings, locate the MMS messaging option and toggle it to the on position. By enabling MMS messaging, you will now be able to send and receive multimedia content through the Messages app on your iPhone. This will allow you to share larger files and enhance your communication experience.